Open the safety door and unplug the laser cable. Loosen the thumb screws and remove the laser module. Undo the Velcro and unplug the X-axis motor cable. Use a 2mm Allen wrench to loosen the screws and remove the metal slider and injection molded part. To replace the Y-axis motor, you need to remove the left acrylic cover first. Unplug the door switch cable. Remove the right acrylic cover. Then unplug the Y-axis motor cable. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the 4 screws securing the motor. Remove the old motor. Install the new motor. The X-axis motor socket faces left. The Y-axis motor socket faces upwards. The timing belt is correctly engaged on the coupling. Secure the motor with screws. Install the metal slide and injection molded parts on the X-axis frame. Install the laser module. Connect the laser module and motor cables and secure them with Velcro. After replacing the Y-axis motor, there are the following steps. Connect the door switch cable. Install the left acrylic cover. Install the right acrylic cover.